Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, a chapter of the World Referral Network, hosted by Franzgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled, From Coverage to Confidence, Inside the World of Insurance. Our guest is Jenny Hansen from Waypoint. Are you struggling to find the right insurance coverage for your business or personal life? Jenny can help. As a seasoned professional with Waypoint Insurance, she specializes in creating tailored insurance solutions that fit your unique needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a solopreneur, or just starting your entrepreneurial journey, Jenny ensures you have the coverage you need to protect what matters most. From business and auto to home and personal insurance, Waypoint Insurance offers reliable, customized plans designed to give you peace of mind.
Welcome. This is the first of three presentations I'm going to give to East Trade Wins. Today, I want to introduce myself, my company, let you know what we're focusing on, and then talk about some industry insights that we're seeing within the insurance industry. And so feel free to ask any questions. Everything here is public knowledge. So there's nothing that's necessarily trade secrets, but I can share those too if you like. So the first thing I want to tell you is about I started insurance in 2006, so I've been doing it for 18 years. I started in Victoria, BC, and then I moved to Vancouver. Since 2009, I've focused solely on business insurance. And then I joined the company that I'm with now, Waypoint Insurance, in 2024. I belong to 5 different associations and networking groups, including Logistics BC, Mechanical Contractors Association of BC, World Referral Network, Abbotsford Chamber of Commerce, and Ridge Meadow Chamber of Commerce. I'm passionate about insurance because I see how passionate my clients are about business, and that has really impacted me in my life. So I wanted to be a part of that. Some of the most rewarding experience is learning about people's passion for their business, how they run their business, and really learning best practices through that. My focus is on manufacturing, transportation, logistics, construction, and technology. When I first came into the industry, it was focused on business. I had a candy manufacturer, which I loved because I love candy. And of course, manufacturers often need logistics, which is warehousing and transportation across Canada and the US. And then, of course, with logistics comes a lot of land development, which is how I got into construction. And then technology was one of those weird, I just started getting a lot of technology clients, and I really like that space. Vancouver is a technology hub. So there's a lot of business here. So that's how I got into that. And these are my specialties. I'm not exclusive to these, but they are a large part of my book and where I feel like I really bring that expert knowledge. That's my focus. Now I want to tell you a bit about Waypoint Insurance, who is my employer. Waypoint has been in BC since for over 150 years. We have 30 locations across the lower mainland and Vancouver Island. We have 750 plus staff, and we are in 15 industry specializations. We have over 200 insurance markets and 5,000 plus businesses already insure with us. Waypoint is a junior partner to Navicord, who is our parent company. They have brokerages all across Canada and in the US. With Navicord, we are the third largest brokerage in Canada with a separate brokerage in each province. I believe in store is the Ontario partner to Waypoint Insurance, and Navicord has over 1,200 employees. Our reach as Navicord Group, we have locations all across Canada and the US. The focus for Waypoint and Navicord is BC and auto across Canada, home insurance, boat insurance, aviation, event insurance. We try to be a full service brokerage, so we will cover you everything business, personal lines, and anything else you need to insure. Industry insight. In the beginning of 2024, we had a meeting with Lloyd's of London. Lloyd's of London is the largest insurer in the world. They don't write directly with Canada, so we use them through what's called NGAs or managing general agents. They're the alternative to insurance companies and reinsurance companies. Lloyd's of London came into our office and told us that they expected to see premium rates go down by 5% by the end of 2024. We are seeing between 5 and 25% reduction. I even have a few clients who have seen a 50% reduction in their premium. So pricing is coming down. The reason premium is coming down is that while the insurance companies want to keep raising rates and reinsurance companies are pushing to raise rates, those MPs or general marketing agents, they have been putting the rates down. They have very competitive pricing, and the insurance companies are seeing how competitive they are. And to not lose business, they're also reducing their rate. So it's a little bit of a hostile market, but it is to your benefit. So I'm not going to shoot a gift horse in the mouth. We are seeing claims increasing. In 2024, so far, we've seen $8 billion worth of claims. 7.1 billion was in the 4 natural disasters we had in Canada this summer. That included the hailstorm in Calgary, the flooding in Quebec and Toronto, and the wildfires in Jasper, Alberta. Of the 50,000 claims, 60% of the claims in Canada are related to those 4 events alone, which, as I just said, was 7.1 billion in cost. Anyway, that's everything.
Unlock the full potential of networking with East Trade Winds. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of connections? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Winds, where we gather online every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.